In the heart of Makkah, where millions of pilgrims walk with hope and humility, stands the most sacred site in Islam, the Kaaba. Every year during the early hours of first Muharram, a powerful symbol of renewal and reverence unfolds, the Kiswa change ceremony, when the Kaaba is clothed in a new covering, handcrafted with gold, silk, and centuries of spiritual tradition. For many Muslims, witnessing the changing of the Kaaba's cloth is a deeply emotional and spiritual experience. But how is this sacred cloth made? Who is allowed to touch it? And what happens to the old kiswa? Let's take you behind the scenes of one of Islam's most honored rituals, the Kaaba Kiswa Change Ceremony 2025, and discover the powerful significance behind the cloth that adorns the house of Allah. The kiswa isn't just fabric, it's a masterpiece of Islamic devotion and artistry. Produced at the King Abdulaziz Kiswa complex in Makkah, this enormous cloth is made from over 670 kilograms of pure black silk imported from Italy and dyed to perfection. The intricate Quranic calligraphy is embroidered with over 120 kilograms of gold and silver coated thread. Over 200 artisans work for nearly 11 months to create this stunning cloth using both modern and traditional techniques. Each belt panel, which runs along the top of the kiswa, contains Quranic verses. The kiswa is changed every year on the morning of first Muharram, the first day of the Islamic New Year. Just before Fajr dawn prayer, a highly trained group of caretakers, known as the Kiswa Committee, gathers at Masjid al-Haram. Access to the Kaaba is completely restricted. A temporary white cotton cloth is placed over the Kaaba while the old kiswa is gently lowered and the new one is raised. The entire operation takes hours and is carried out with military precision and spiritual silence. Once the new kiswa is draped and secured, the golden door curtain is carefully placed. This final step marks the completion of the ceremony. After the ceremony, the old kiswa is taken to the Kiswa Factory, where it is cut into pieces. These fragments are framed and gifted to world leaders, mosques, scholars, and Islamic institutions. For those who receive it, it is a gift of spiritual honor, a direct connection to the Kaaba itself. Beyond its craftsmanship and ceremony, the kiswa represents the unity of the Ummah. No matter where you're from, Indonesia or Morocco, Nigeria or Pakistan, the sight of the Kaaba wrapped in black and gold brings the same feeling, awe, reverence, and a yearning for closeness to Allah. This is not just a cloth, it is a cloak of devotion, a fabric woven with faith. The Kiswa change ceremony reminds us every year that while time moves forward, our connection to the Kaaba and to each other remains eternal. We hope this video helped you understand the beauty and detail behind this sacred tradition. If you were inspired by the story of the Kiswa of the Kaaba, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Islamic content, and share it with others. May we all be blessed with the chance to see the Kaaba and its glorious Kiswa with our own eyes.